Hello everyone, and welcome to break 3810 for the 2020 Panini XR football card box. We want to thank everyone for getting in the break, and all of you watching. We do appreciate it. Let's go ahead and check out the current date and time according to eBay. It is Sunday, November 15th, 2020. It's 10:39 p.m. Eastern Time, 9:39 p.m. Central Time, and 7:39 p.m. Pacific Time. In the break, we have Landry 2 spots, E-Rock 1, Seawalker 1, Rick 2, Ron Bat 6, Fresso 1, Kyle Stowe 1, Mike with 1, MF 1, 2015 with 2, Schneidzilla with 1, Keylock Kicks with 7, Robberman 1, Wire Kenny 4, Brian with the hoodie with 1 spot. Let's go ahead and randomize everyone 7 times to determine our team or teams for the break. Landry on top, Brian with the hoodie on the bottom once, twice, 3 times 4, 5, 6, and lucky number 7 has Wire Kenny on top and on the bottom. Wire Kenny, you have the Cardinals 2015 with the Falcons, Keylock Ravens, Bills, Rick with the Panthers, Ron with the Bears, E-Rock Bengals, Landry Browns, Wire Kenny Cowboys, Broncos, Ron with the Lions, Schneidzilla with the Packers, Ron Texans, Fresso Colts, Brian with the hoodie with the Jaguars, Mike with the Chiefs, Landry with the Raiders, Keylock Chargers, Rams 2015 with the Dolphins, Keylock Vikings, Patriots, MF Saints, Robberman Giants, Ron Jets, Seawalker Eagles, Keylock Steelers, Rick with the 49ers, Ron Seahawks, Buccaneers, Kyle the Titans, and last but not least, Washington with Wire Kenny. Here we go. Good luck, everybody. Whichever team is on the card, that's where the card will go. All right, pack 1, pack 2, pack 1, pack 2, alright guys, good luck. We'll start with Melvin Gordon III, Denver Broncos. Miles Sanders, Philadelphia Eagles. Kenneth Murray, Chargers, 94/199, rookie. Aaron Jones, Green Bay Packers, 80 out of 249. Jake Fromm, 25 out of 75. Buffalo Bills, rookie triple threats. Congrats, Buffalo. And we have Xavier McKinney, New York Giants, 40 out of 199, rookie auto. And last but not least, in pack number 1, we have Laviska Shenault Jr., Jacksonville Jaguars rookie. Okay, pack number 1. Teddy Bridgewater, Carolina Panthers. DeMarcus Lawrence, Dallas Cowboys. We have Raymond Calais, Tampa Bay Buccaneers, 61 out of 249, rookie. Okay, we have back-to-back Texans. David Johnson, Houston Texans, 39 out of 49. We have Deshaun Watson, X Factor, 47 out of 99. And then we have rookie swatch auto, Clyde Edwards-Helaire, 42 out of 149, Kansas City Chiefs. Congrats, Chiefs. And last but not least, we have Tyler Johnson, Tampa Bay Buccaneers rookie. And let's go back through and see who is getting what. We'll start with Tampa. Tampa Bay Buccaneers, Ron Batts. Congrats. We have 2 for Texans. Deshaun Watson and David Johnson. Houston Texans, Ron Batt. Congrats. Tampa Bay Buccaneers. Just had you a second ago. Ron Batt. Congrats. Dallas Cowboys. Wire Kenny, congrats. Carolina Panthers, Teddy Bridgewater. Rick Ray, congrats. Now we have Jacksonville. Brian with the hoodie. Congrats. Gold Standard Football is after XR. Coming up next, New York Giants. New York Giants. Robberman, congrats. Green Bay Packers, Aaron Jones. Schneidilla, congrats. Chargers. Key Lock Kicks, congrats. Philadelphia Eagles. C. Walker, congrats. Denver Broncos going to Wire Kenny, congrats. Jake Fromm, 25 out of 75. Triple Threats rookie, Buffalo Bills. Key Lock Kicks. And then last but not least, congrats. And we have Clyde Edwards-Helaire, a rookie swatch auto out of 149. And the Kansas City Chiefs going to Mike Light, 008. And that was break 3810 in the 2020 Panini XR football card box. We want to thank everyone for getting in the break. And all of you watching, we do appreciate it. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button right next to your right thumb. You'll find us on eBay and on social media at P2J SPORTSCARDS. We hope to see you all very soon. Stick around for the bonus break spot. And then coming up next, we have break 3815 in the 2020 Panini Gold Standard Football card box. Thanks.